Hello friends. In today's class, we are going to see example for L attributed definition. So here we are discussing this example of this L attributed definition, and it simply says that consider the following STD and comment whether it's L attributed or not. Okay, so this definition is L attributed or not. So we know that, okay, so now there is a production rule, and in this production rule, A is equal to LM. Okay, so let's see that what exactly this A is equal to LM is doing over here. So when I say A is equal to LM, okay, so A derives L and M. Okay, now L dot I is taking the value of A dot I. Okay, so here the first definition says that L is taking the value from the parent and it is taking the inherited attribute. So each inherited attribute should take the value from the parent, and this is the value that is coming. It is okay. Now here M dot I is taking L dot S. So this M value is taking the value from L dot S. That means I is for inherited. So M dot I is taking the value from parent. For M dot I is taking the value from sibling, and M dot I is L dot S, and that is totally okay with the L attributed. This definition is not applicable because this is a synthesized attribute. So A is equal to LM, that definition is totally valid, that it take the value from the inherited attribute of the parent or the left of the sibling, and this is not applicable, so it is okay. So we don't have any issue with this particular production rule and this semantic rule, set of semantic rule. Now we come to A is equal to QR, and A is equal to Q and R. So Ri is equal to Ai. Okay, Ri is equal to Ai. So that is okay. R inherited will take the value from the parent, and that is okay. Q of I is equal to R of S. Now Q inherited attribute. Okay, so Q inherited attribute, Q dot I inherited attribute, taking the value from what? R dot S, which is a synthesized attribute. And moreover, this Q value is taking the value from the right sibling. Okay, Q dot I taking value from where it is taking value from? Right sibling. Okay, so right sibling. Okay, so now is it allowed? No, it is not allowed, and till here it was okay, and this is not allowed. A dot S is equal to Q dot S, so synthesize attribute can take but not applicable, but this is not allowed. So this is from right sibling. Okay, and inherited attribute is not supposed to take the value from the right sibling. Okay, so this definition is means overall is not L attributed definition. It's not L attributed definition. Okay, so I hope you understand this explanation. That's all for this question. Thank you.